How to install an eSIM on Google Pixel via the QR code installation method. This method involves scanning a QR code to install your eSIM. Here's how you can do it. Open the eSIMCard app. Navigate to My eSIM. Go to Manage Setting. View eSIM details. Under eSIM installation, select Install eSIM. Choose between two options, QR code. The steps to save an eSIM QR code as an image. Save QR code as image. Open the QR code image. Long press or use options. Tap Save Image or Save to Photos. Take a screenshot. Capture QR code screenshot. Access it from your device. Trim screenshot. Open screenshot in gallery. Use editing tools to trim or crop. If you want to share the eSIM QR code by displaying it on one device's screen and scanning it with the camera on another device, follow these steps. Display QR code. Open QR code image on device 1. Open camera. On device 2, open camera app. Align and scan. Hold device 1 steady. Position QR code in front of device 2's camera and let it scan. Verify and confirm. Check scanned information on device 2 and confirm as needed. This method allows sharing the eSIM QR code by displaying it on one device's screen and scanning it with the camera on another device. In Settings, click on Network and Internet. Click the plus icon next to SIMs. Click on Add More next to plus icon. Select Download a SIM instead. Scan the QR code from the eSIM details in the eSIMCard app.